Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my craft room. I just wanted to hop on here and give you kind of an update as to what is going on. I know I've been absent for a while. And the reason for my absence is, I'm sure you can hear it, is that I've been sick. Really sick actually. I caught whatever bug is going around. It's a virus. I did not have the vid. I tested negative for that, tested negative for flu, tested negative for strep. I was in the hospital for a little bit. I was very dehydrated. On top of it, I also got sick with shingles. I get shingles on my nose and inside of my nose. And so I had that going on as well. I finished all rounds of antibiotics and antivirals, so I am feeling so much better than I was a couple of weeks ago. But still, this stuff is kicking my butt, so I haven't really done a whole lot, just to be real honest. So I kind of wanted to just let you know that that's what's going on. That's why I haven't posted any videos. The last video that I did post was a live video. I know there were issues with the sound. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. But it stands and there's good material in there and you can watch me cut and you can see how I did the rag quilting and that sort of thing. So, you know, if you can't stand the sound, then just move on past it. Anyway, and so Christmas was a little different around here. We did not get together as a family, just because I didn't want to get anybody sick. As you know, my husband and my son had been sick prior to that, prior to me getting it, then I got it. There's so much that has been happening in my life right now that I don't even know. I just honestly don't even know when I'm coming or going at this point. My father-in-law was put on hospice. He has cancer. So there's that. He had broken his arm. He fell and broke his arm. And he was supposed to go into a rehabilitation center after, and that just never happened. So he's at home on hospice. Luckily, he is in good spirits. So I'm grateful for that. My mom had a heart attack 2 days before Christmas. She was at work. They had to put a stent in her heart. She made it home on Christmas Eve day. Again, no Christmas. She was resting, and sadly I couldn't be with her because I was sick. And on top of that, my sister's family was also ill as well. So it's been a fun ending to the year. So I'm ready for 2021 to just move itself on out here at this point. But, you know, in the grand scheme of things, I'm so grateful that everyone is still here, and it can always be so much worse. It really can. So I like to focus on the positive, even though sometimes it's hard when so much negative and pain and suffering is going on around you. So anyway, it's been a tough couple of months for me and my family. So if you could keep us in your prayers, that'd be great. I would really appreciate it. I want to show you some things that I did work on though. And these are really fun. So one of the things that we did do is we got our son a trip to Disney World and Universal Studios for Christmas. He loves Disney World, and we're also taking my nephew with us. So this should be a really fun trip. It'll be a short trip, but it'll be fun. We're going to be going in February for his birthday. But these are the sweatshirts that I made for my husband and I. These are hoodies. I got them off of Amazon. But that is Hedwig. That is the owl in Harry Potter, because we will be going to the Harry Potter world at Universal Studios. And I wanted to have a really special sweatshirt. Now my son and my nephew's sweatshirts have Buckbeak. Now that's a character in Harry Potter too. It's a bird. But it's really cute. This one is my husband's. So his and mine are the same, and the boys's are the same. Then I designed this with my Cricut and cut it out with my Cricut. And everybody's is different. So my son's is also different. So that's the front of the hoodie. This is my husband's. And then here is the back. And it has his name, it's got the castle, and then it's got Peter Pan, and it's got Tinkerbell, and Peter Pan's ship, and the pirate flag there, along with the fireworks. So that one turned out really cool. Mine didn't turn out as good as I had hoped, but I'll show it to you anyway. It's because I used too light of a pattern. I should have used a darker pattern, and I wished I had, because this one is really cute too. So that's the front, and then this is the back. I gotta stand up and show you, and you can see, so mine has Cinderella's carriage on it, and then it actually has Cinderella over here, but you can't see her. And then this is actually her glass slipper up in here. But again, like I said, I just should have used a little different, I should have used a darker print, but it's a little bit late now, so it is what it is. It stands. It won't matter. No one's going to see it. You know, so there's that. Also, I have been doing an overhaul in the craft room again. New year, new cleaning, you know, so I have, everything is in disarray here right now. It's a mess. So I have most of this area cleaned up here. All of that over there that you're looking at is Isacord thread. I have a friend who goes to estate sales and gets items from those sales. Well, they went to a quilter's home, and she had all of those Isacord threads in those cases there, and I got those for $160, and they're like $2,000, like $2,800 worth of thread there. So that was really cool. You can see, so those things that are sitting there on my chair, those buckets, those are my grandson's rag quilts that I never got to finish for Christmas. So they'll be getting them for birthdays, because I was too sick to finish those. I have started changing my shelving around. See, everything is a mess here now. Because I'm getting ready to set up my shop. I'm getting ready to set up my embroidery shop in here, and my quilting shop, the blankets and stuff. So I have my stabilizer there. This is a new rack that I got again from that that sale. And as you can see, I have all my threads in there. I'm not gonna pull it out, but maybe I can, I don't know. You can see it's all my quilting threads and stuff. The rest is embroidery. So I'm preparing for that. Additionally, so I've placed an order, and I have some of these really cute little baby onesies with ruffled sleeves that I will be embroidering on. I am getting ready for Valentine's Day and also St. Patrick's Day, because those will be the next holidays. I have these really beautiful, whoops. It helps when you've got them going in the right direction. These really cute polka dot little dresses for little girls. I have them in a bunch of different sizes. I will have these in my Etsy shop for those of you who will be interested. And I have them in red, little red polka dots. So I have a bunch of stuff here. Let's see. I also got some towels to embroider on. Some kid towels. And I have t-shirts and all kinds of stuff. So these are so cute because these have little ears on them. Perfect for any child. I'll show you though. It's real adorable. See, little ears. Just a little bath towel for little toddlers and babies. So pretty happy with those. Can't wait to start embroidering those and personalizing them. They're going to be so cute. So there's those. And then the next thing that I am overhauling is my my ironing board. And I do have a tutorial on that coming up. That will be Friday's tutorial because as you can hear, I can barely talk for a long time and I get very, very winded. So I will flip the camera just so you can see it real quick. So here is the board. This is the board that was covered with the original duck or goose pattern that I had on there before. So this was a little bit too big for my table, so I had my husband cut it down just a tad bit so it would fit better. And now we're going to get ready to recover it. And I use an electric stapler to do this, just so you can see. And I use 2 layers of batting, and then I use fabric on it. I'm going to show you the fabric that I'm going to cover this with. All right, so this has just been sitting in my stash for a really long time. And I figured, you know, I should probably use it. And everything seems to really pop with this. So I am going to cover my ironing board with this fabric. This is a Tula Pink fabric. And I am going to use it on my ironing board. And I know some of you probably freaking out about that, but that's okay. It's my ironing board. And that is what I choose to use this piece of fabric with. And also because I have enough of it to cover that. Plus I think it'll look really cool. And I think it'll be really fun and it'll brighten up the room. And so, like I said, my husband and I are working on this. And we will be doing a tutorial on showing you how I do this. So I already have the footage showing you how I removed the old one, the old cover, and now we're just going to repurpose it with the new one. So that's going to be a fun project to do. I'm excited. This was my sister's Christmas gift that I didn't finish. She wanted an Ariel little notebook. This is that Kimber Bell notebook that I showed you that I made myself a while back. I did mine with Mickey Mouse, Winnie the Pooh. I did it with all the Disney characters. She wanted Little Mermaids, so these are mermaids. And I still need to add to it because I just have not finished it. But I did want to show you that. And this was done on my brother Dream Machine that I had done that on. So that's really about all that has been happening here. Just I've been cleaning up, getting things ready, and so yeah. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the little bell. You get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video, and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.